Welcome to my channel, Tale of Tales. Today, we're going to be seeing the story, Pride of Tricolor. Once upon a time, in the colorful land of India, there lived a magical flag named Tricolor. Tricolor was no ordinary flag. It had the power to make people smile and laugh. Tricolor had three special friends, Saffy the Saffron, Whitey the White, and Greeny the Green. They were the colors of the flag and they loved playing games together. One day, Tricolor and its friends decided to have a picnic in a beautiful meadow. Saffy brought healthy carrots. Whitey carried crispy mushroom and cauliflower. Greeny brought crunchy broccoli and beans. As they savoured the delicacies, a few children began arranging the delectable vegetables in the form of Indian national flag. Would you arrange the Indian national flag using vegetables or grains in this manner? Suddenly, they heard a sound, a melodious call from a peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India, had come to join their picnic. His feathers shimmered with vibrant colors, just like tricolor. Peacock entertained everyone with his graceful dance, and the children joined in shaking a leg or two. Tricolor and its friends clapped and cheered, adding to the festive atmosphere. While progressing ahead, they were greeted by the resounding roar of a tiger, our national animal. Tigers are magnificent and powerful creatures with beautiful orange coats and black stripes. While progressing ahead, they witnessed a gentle breeze carrying the exquisite essence of lotus flowers. Lotus is our national flower. Fascinating thing about the lotus is its ability to stay clean despite growing in muddy water. This represents the idea of purity and rising above challenges. As they continued their journey, they found themselves in an aquarium. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal, a fascinating creature. Dolphins are known for their playful nature, intelligence, and unique appearance, making them a favorite among both children and adults. Mangoes are called as king of fruits due to their popularity and deliciousness. Our national tree is banyan, which is large and majestic tree with a wide-spreading canopy. It has the multiple trunks and aerial roots that hang down from its branches. Finally, the laughter of children filled the air as they danced and played with the magic of tricolor and its symbol of national pride. That day, children of India cherished tricolor, Saffy, Whitey, and Greeny, and its friends. They understood that the flag represented unity, courage, peace, and prosperity, all the things that made their country special. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy and subscribe to Tale of Tales.